If you're like me and you didn't like the chrome slash aluminum looking colored trims inside of the Corvettes, for 2024 and up, you do have the option of adding the stealth trim. I didn't really see a lot of pictures or videos online that showed the color very well, so I went ahead and took the top off mine to try to show you guys the trim. One of the things that it does is it blacks out the Bose speaker cover to a nice semi-glossy black. Blends in much better into the door than that aluminum color. And then it also blacks out this chrome piece on the dash. And this color is not exactly the same as this one. This one's a truer black. This one almost has a oil slick purplish hue to it. And it does go across the dash, underneath the screen, and above the glove compartment. I opted to have a semi-blacked out interior. One thing I didn't like about the previous Corvette trims is that when you added the red seats or the red accents, it would reflect off the glass too much, and it was really distracting when you try to drive the car. So I opted for an all-black dash, all-black trims, and I also added the GT2 competition seats with the nice carbon fiber accents, just to kind of blend in everything. This is also a little darker hue when you get the stealth interior trim. It's the subwoofer cover. But overall, I just think it looks better with the stealth trim. It just flows better. There's no bright aluminum that just pops out. Show you guys a little bit more. This is definitely one of my favorite options for 2024s and up. Highly recommend you get the stealth trim and the GT2 competition seats. They look sick.